What's up everybody, this is Mike. I have just finished uploading my latest video that you can check out on my channel right now. It has been uploaded a couple of hours ago. So I was browsing Twitter and I saw a tweet by DJI about their latest announcement. It was literally just a couple of minutes ago, so I just watched it a couple of times, commented with a couple of people that are familiar with this, and wanted to record this video for you guys just to let you know that a new DJI drone is going to be announced next week on January 23rd, which is Tuesday at 10 a.m. In the morning from New York. You can live stream the event, of course, just like any other time. I will put the link in the description if you want to check it out. But I'm super excited as the announcement trailer seemed really interesting. So far we didn't really have a lot of information about this, and it doesn't really say that much, but it shows the shape of the future product that they're going to announce. They say something big is coming, so I think it will be something small. Speculations, of course, are everywhere. People say that it might be the Mavic Pro 2. Others say that it might be the Mavic Air, which I'm not sure what it is, but they say it would be a medium drone between the size of the Mavic Pro and the Spark, which I don't really think it's quite possible. Let's hope not, because I don't really think we need something like this in between the Spark and the Mavic. I'm really hoping for the Mavic Pro 2, as I think it would be a perfect reply from DJI to the announcement of the Autel Robotics Evo that was just announced a couple of days ago during CES 2018. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the announcement trailer, which I'm going to play right now if you want to see it. And let me know, what do you think it's going to be? Are you going to watch it? Are you going to buy it? Whatever it is. And I'm looking forward to hearing more from you guys. What do you think about this upcoming event? Anyway, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this upcoming product? Watch the announcement trailer and let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys very, very soon as we get more and more information about this announcement.
What are we? We are but billions of atoms and molecules buzzing together in harmony. And yet, from the seemingly insignificant size comes formidable strength and power. We are all struck from the same elements, from something so small, the beginnings of something truly mighty. The question is, are we ready for what's to come?